To make a slip knot, we're going to do it in the same way we did the magic ring with a little difference. So we take our tail of our yarn here, with our working yarn in our right, and then we're going to wrap around 2 fingers again. So with it draped over here, you see the end there, wrapping around and up. I'm going to take a hook, go under and pull through. And we loosely release the circle from our fingers there. You can see we've got the magic ring. So what we do now is we just literally are closing that there, and we've got our slip knot. So what we do next is we pull a little on our working yarn just so it gets tighter on our hook, and our slip knot is ready to use. And we'll do that again. Okay, so end of our yarn in our left hand, wrapping around our 2 fingers, hook under, pull through, and then just pull to tighten up. And we're ready to go. Do leave a tiny bit of slack though, just make it a little bit more easy to work with. Should we do that again? And keep practicing. Rewind this as often as you need and practice until you're confident.